everybody. It is a late video. It is gonna be a quick video, but pretty pumped. We actually are on our way right now to Oakland, California, because we saw a car dolly that we're gonna be purchasing. Hopefully, we're gonna check it out. Hopefully, everything turns out. It does need some work, and we don't mind it. We don't mind messing around with stuff, since that's what we do. But hopefully, we can get this thing for pretty cheap and fix it up to our liking, in order for where it's pretty much functional, in order to be able to tow somebody's car to a drag event. If you have to go to a drag event, but to any of the track days that we're going to be attending, just for safety precaution. At least for me, I would like to have it for that, just in case if my car breaks down and his car's still good, we can load up whichever car is down and the other one can still drive home. Since if we do, at least we do daily drive these cars.
Yep.
So, anything to say?
No, just, yeah, pretty exciting to get a car dolly for pretty cheap.
It's almost a steal.
Yeah,
what we're getting it for.
So hopefully everything is what it says it is. And yeah, cool little project for restoring a car dolly. And yeah,
so like cousin said, we're gonna be restoring this because we don't know what condition it is. It is a little bit on the rough side, but hopefully everything is functional. So as soon as we get there, we got a couple, like 2 miles left to go. Once we get there, we're gonna check it out, and if we do bring it, you guys can see it right here in this video. So GPS is talking to us at this moment. Now let's get that thing going, and hopefully everything turns out good. And we'll see you guys back on the next clip while we're hauling the dolly back home.
Yep.
Let's get it. Yo guys, we are back
up,
and we got some good mother news. Primo,
excited. We did get it. Need some good TLC, but it's all good.
it's gonna get that. We got until the 29th, so if anything, me and the cousin, we're probably gonna start checking stuff out to make sure we have this thing ready to go. I think we need lights. Probably gonna sand it down, give it a quick paint job. We need some straps. What else do we need?
Some over fenders. Just look at the wheel bearings, make sure that they're good. Make sure the tires are good. They look okay. Just give it a quick look through, make sure that everything is tip top, safe to go.
So yeah, so pretty much, me and him, we're pretty much excited. We tried to jump on this as soon as we did. We saw the ad on Craigslist, and he told me about it. We were actually looking at another one, but he found this one, which was super cheap. That's why I say we got it for a steal. So even when we put money into it, first of all, we're gonna be able to put stuff that we like to make it a little bit more modern, or a little bit to our liking.
Yeah.
But for the most part, yeah, I mean, for what we got it for, all in all, once we're done with it, it's still gonna be super cheap. So can't be mad at that. So for I'll try to get a shot of the Mamalona in the back, so you guys can check it out rolling, and then we'll probably start recording updates on the car dolly as we go. But also let you guys decide, or take a guess on which car is gonna be the first car on the new dolly. Is it gonna be his EP3, the TSX? We also have Choco in his FK7, and possibly Felix, because we're not sure on who and who's going. Right now confirmed is Jesse and I. We're still waiting for confirmation from Choco and from Felix if they're going to be able to make it out to this event. If they are, we don't know who's going to be the first car on the dolly. So leave it on the comments who you guys think is going to be the first one. But yeah, for the most part, that's pretty much, like I said, quick video. We'll do some shots of the dolly if possible, but here's a quick update. Hope you guys like it. Keep watching the other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe. Primo, Anything?
Hit that like button.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Diría el jefe Felix. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.